Encountering a failed to connect error on your Lorex NVR can be frustrating, preventing you from accessing your security footage. This section provides an overview of the common causes behind this issue and immediate steps you can take to resolve it. As of September 2025, the most frequent causes stem from network connectivity problems, port configuration issues, or Lorex server status. Start by performing a simple restart of your NVR and router. Then check your internet connection and ensure your Lorex Home app is updated to the latest version, 3.0 or higher. Wired Ethernet connections are generally more stable than Wi-Fi, so switch if possible. These quick fixes resolve many connection issues. If problems persist, the next step is to check the status of Lorex's servers. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, dive deeper into your network settings and Lorex server status. First, verify the Lorex servers are operational via Lorex's official server checker tool, Down Detector, or similar service. Next, focus on your network. Your Lorex NVR relies on specific ports for communication: HTTP port 80, RTSP port 554, and HTTPS port 443. Ensure these ports are open and forwarded correctly in your router settings if UPnP Universal Plug and Play is disabled. Static IP addresses are recommended for Lorex NVRs to avoid IP address conflicts. Finally, run a network scan using tools like Wireshark or the Lorex app diagnostics to identify connectivity issues. If still facing problems, check firewall exceptions to prevent blocking of Lorex ports. If all else fails, contacting Lorex support is the next best step, as they can run diagnostics that you cannot.